US President Joe Biden's top economic advisor has warned India and said that India would face significant consequences for aligning itself with Russia. He further added that the US officials have been disappointed with some of New Delhi's reaction to the Russian invasion of Ukraine. The director of the White House National Economic Council, Brian Deese, told reporters on Wednesday that India and China's stance on certain areas with respect to Russia's invasion of Ukraine has disappointed the United States. He further added that the United States has told India that the consequences of a more explicit strategic alignment with Moscow would be significant and long-term. Unlike its Quad partners and other European nations, India has not put any sanctions on Russia and instead has sought to continue imports of Russian oil. New Delhi's reaction to the invasion is complicating its relationship with Washington. Deese's comments come after Deputy National Security Advisor Dalip Singh traveled to India last week for meetings with officials. In addition to seeking Russian oil, India is the world's largest buyer of Russian weapons. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi has resisted entreaties from the US and Australia to scale back the relationship, insisting that India needs Russian weapons to counter both Pakistan and China and that alternatives are too expensive.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.